Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making pepperoni bread. Recipes down in the description box for your convenience. And let's roll this dough out. Okay, I have a jelly roll pan. And we have some pizza dough. Now you can make your own, or you can buy the pre-bought. And this is the pre-bought. So we're just gonna spread this out. Okay, just want to make sure all the holes, if you ripped it or whatever, make sure everything's all covered up. Now we're going to layer a pepperoni. And you can get as fancy as you want. Okay, we have our pepperoni in place. Now we have 1 cup of mozzarella. And we're just going to layer that on top of the pepperoni. So now very carefully we're going to roll this lengthwise. Take some toothpicks. Make sure it stays sealed. Give the pan nice grease. And then we're gonna right back onto the, fix any holes, some holes here. And this is going to go in the oven, 350 degrees for about a half hour. Okay, I cooked it for a half hour. It's been out for about a half hour. Had a little breakage there, a little bit of oozing. I took care of that real quick. And now we're going to pick this up, put it on a board. Get this out of the way. Don't need them anymore. I am just going to cut this baby in half. Look at that. Nice and layered. Cheese in there. That is nice. All right. Give it a try. Still a little warm, but not scalding hot. That is delicious. Chewy. Got some crust on the top and bottom, makes it a little crispy. Cheese, pepperoni, pizza bread. It's all there. Very easy to make. You can make your own pizza dough. You can just buy the refrigerated one for a couple bucks. And that's what I use. So until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.